The United States continues to invest heavily in next-generation aircraft to maintain its aerial superiority across all branches of the military. These platforms include fighters, drones, helicopters, and bombers, each playing a crucial role in the nation's evolving defense strategy. Among the most anticipated aircraft is the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) fighter, a highly classified program developed by the U.S. Air Force to replace the F-22 Raptor. This sixth-generation fighter is expected to feature advanced stealth capabilities, manned-unmanned teaming, adaptive engines, and possibly directed energy weapons. NGAD is not just a single aircraft but a system of systems, including a piloted fighter and several autonomous drones called Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA), which will act as loyal wingmen to the primary fighter. Alongside NGAD, the Navy is developing its own version of a sixth-generation fighter under the F/A-XX program. This aircraft will eventually replace the F/A-18E F Super Hornet and is designed to operate from aircraft carriers. It will likely mirror many of the NGAD technologies, including stealth, long-range sensors, and integration with unmanned systems. The future of U.S. naval aviation is tightly connected to the development of autonomous drones like the MQ25 Stingray, an aerial refueling drone that is already undergoing testing and will extend the range of carrier-based aircraft. On the unmanned side, the U.S. Air Force is rapidly advancing in drone technology. One of the most significant upcoming drones is the XQ58A Valkyrie, developed under the Low-Cost Attreatable Aircraft Technology Initiative. The Valkyrie is designed to fly alongside manned aircraft, conducting reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or even strike missions while being expendable in high-risk environments. The Air Force is also exploring other drone platforms such as the MQ Next, which will replace the aging MQ-9 Reaper. This future drone is expected to be stealthier, faster, and more capable of surviving in contested airspace. The Army is not left behind in aviation innovation. Its Future Vertical Lift (FVL) program is set to replace a wide range of helicopters with next-generation rotorcraft. Two major competitors have emerged: the Bell V-280 Valor and the Sikorsky-Boeing Defiant X. The V-280 is a tiltrotor aircraft similar to the V-22 Osprey, combining the vertical lift capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing aircraft. The Defiant X uses a coaxial rotor design with a pusher propeller, allowing for increased agility and speed while maintaining vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. These aircraft are part of the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) initiative and are intended to replace the UH-60 Black Hawk. Additionally, the Army is pursuing the Future Attack Reconnaissance Aircraft (FARA) program to fill the gap left by the retired O-58 Kiowa. Contenders in this space include the Bell 360 Invictus and Sikorsky Raider X, both incorporating advanced rotor systems, digital cockpits, and enhanced survivability features. The U.S. Marine Corps is also modernizing its aviation assets, focusing on unmanned systems and enhancing the capabilities of platforms like the F-35B. They are exploring vertical lift drone capabilities that can deploy from amphibious assault ships and conduct reconnaissance or strike missions in littoral zones. These drones would be compact, fast-deploying, and able to operate in GPS-denied environments. Turning to bombers, the U.S. Air Force is developing the B21 Raider, a stealth strategic bomber designed to replace the aging B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit fleets. The B-21, being developed by Northrop Grumman, is designed to be more survivable, maintainable, and affordable than its predecessors. It will carry both conventional and nuclear payloads, and it is being built with open systems architecture to accommodate future upgrades. The B-21 is expected to enter service in the latter half of the 2020s and will be capable of penetrating advanced enemy air defenses. Another area of focus is hypersonic aircraft and weapons. While these are not aircraft in the traditional sense, several projects are underway to develop reusable hypersonic planes and missiles. Programs like DARPA's Hypersonic Air-Breathing Weapon Concept (HAWC) and Air Force's Mayhem project aim to field weapons or platforms capable of exceeding Mach 5 speeds. These could eventually lead to a new class of aircraft designed for rapid global strike or reconnaissance missions. Space is also becoming an area of increasing interest. The U.S. Space Force and other military branches are looking into reusable spaceplanes such as the X-37B, which, while not new, points toward a future where space-based and near-space platforms could be integrated into routine defense operations. These platforms might launch small satellites, conduct surveillance, or even engage in electronic warfare from orbit. With all these advancements, artificial intelligence and autonomous systems are playing a critical role. The future U.S. aircraft are increasingly being designed with AI in mind, from AI copilots to fully autonomous decision-making in combat scenarios. The integration of AI enables faster reaction times, optimized mission planning, and enhanced situational awareness, giving U.S. forces a significant edge in any future conflict. As the military shifts toward a more distributed and resilient force structure, the development of smaller, modular, and optionally manned aircraft is also on the rise. These systems can be deployed quickly, operate in austere environments, and adapt to a variety of mission types, making them essential components of future joint and coalition operations. The United States is preparing not just for near-peer adversaries but also for a battlespace that is multi-domain: air, land, sea, cyber, and space. The future aircraft of the United States reflect this doctrine, emphasizing flexibility, survivability, and technological dominance in every possible theater of war. Whether manned or unmanned, rotary or fixed-wing, subsonic or hypersonic, the next generation of American military aircraft represents a profound leap in capability, ensuring that the U.S. maintains air dominance well into the middle of the 21st century and beyond.